Bingy, Bingy, what was Natasha doing here? Were you lying to me when you told me that no one came here?
Susie, who you believe? Me or the pitney them?
Bingy, why would the baby be telling lie on you? It's a baby, you know. She don't know how to tell liars yet.
Oh, me fi bring Natasha here. Me not even like the girl. If I did someone else, you could have believed.
How you mean if I did somebody else? Nobody know if you come on me yard. Listen, Bingy, man, we will make you missing.
Pitney, I tell your mother not lie for me. I saw when I eat later and go bed, you go dream say people come here.
Susie, my best friend, I love the clothes. Them fit me like a medium design for.
Natasha, I need to ask you something, but I need you to come over here.
Ask me over the phone, me have somewhere to go.
Natasha, me need to see you face to face. So just take a taxi and come and me will pay the fare.
Your face look like you eat sour lime, so.
Natasha, I'm going to ask you something and me need you to tell me the truth. Because I'm not playing no game with nobody. I'm in a ramp with my life. So I'm going to ask you this. And if you know say you're going to lie to me, you better tell me the truth. Because if you lie, me I going to find out somewhere, somehow.
Awa, this looks serious.
Natasha, you're being in or something?
I that you really make me waste my time and come here for. Me eat the ground being you walk on. Susie, me can't believe you that even think that. I love you like a sister.
What you doing here?
And me call her over here. Me call her to find out if you're on her day.
If me go there with anybody, why you think me go there with your friend? Worse than one day?
Thingy, don't make me this you. Me worse no want you.
Alright. You don't know about with the cussing in ya. Me just want to know the truth. Natasha, me forgot to give you the shoes when me buy for your son. Hold on them, me I go upstairs for it.
What you do over here? You want to find out? Me did tell her to get up before daylight.
She not gonna find out, but if I stop come over here to go look suspicious. Me I be careful, come look for me later.
Bingy, you still vexed with me? How long you go vex with me for? You can't make a penny then see me in a house. Vex. You over there so I'm over here so I need to we mouth push up. I am sorry. I am sorry that I accused you of cheating on me with Natasha. I am so sorry. I shouldn't have done it because I know that you would never do that to me.
I was wondering if you lick your head. Why you think me would have hurt you like that? Are some wicked? Anyway, me like the little thing we tried the other day.
Yeah? Me glad you enjoyed, babes. Just to say it wasn't that bad. I'm begging me, I tell you, God Almighty, true. You know that babe like a first timer. You sure there's not something that I don't know about?
I was thinking that we should make it a little more spicy and turn it up another notch.
What you mean by turn it up a notch, Bingy? No, man. You really not enjoy yourself.
Make we try a threesome.
Really, Bingy? You turn one big piece of freak. But how will me go find the next man right now?
We just set her ass. Man 4 is a girl who want to join with.
But could you face too, boy, you want 2 women one time. So I go going night for me. You don't even can manage me. One me you can't manage, but you want manage 2 women one time. If I laugh, I'm dead. Bingy, somebody at the door. We will continue this one next time.
Hey girl, what's up? A pure rain outside.
Hey Keisha, you're pretty, sir. But you're full of so much makeup. But I never know that people are wearing makeup till they corona time. And most people are wear.
Bingy, wagwan.
Me there, Susie, later.
Susie, you alright? Oh, you look so down.
I'm okay. Me and Bingy just have a little disagreement. My daughter tell me so when me gone foreign, Natasha come over here. So me and me have a little cussing. But it just come like say Pitney in a dream, and when she wake up she thinks say dream are true.
You could have frightened me. What Bingy would have do with Natasha? After him no idiot.
Why can you show your behave so you alright? Oh your moves are sensitive. The way you talk you make it seem like say Bingy are your man.
No, Susie. Me just getting on my feelings. Cause you know say you're my best friend. Me no want nobody to hurt you. Anyways, just keep your eyes open. It's not every friend a friend. No make nobody fool you.
Hello.
Bingy, me hear say you're Natasha there. I hope say you're not grind. Because me not share with nobody. Oh.
Keisha, me busy. Later me call you. Don't come to me with no foolishness.
Hello?
Hi, baby. What's up?
Hi, Romain. What's up? Romain, why you calling me on a Jamaican number?
Babes, I come to surprise you. I'm in Jamaica.